today guys I'm making some pancakes, right? So what I do is, so you know, pancakes, to get them fluffy, they usually use like eggs, but what I found out is to use okra, right? So you see how the egg is the white part is slimy. So what I use is the okra. So I put the okra in there and blend it up, and then it's just like how you would do the egg. You would have that egg part, right? So check this out. Put some okra in there. Then we just add some water. Add a little water in there. And then we just blend it up. See? So this right here is it. Then I'm gonna add in the flour, but first I'm gonna put some cloves. This is ground cloves. I ground it up. So this is cloves right here. Put a little bit of cloves in it. Yes, you. Put a little bit of cloves. And then I can add the flour in. So added some flour. And we're gonna put a little bit more water in there. Just like that. Then just blend it up. Blend the rest of it up. I like to shake it up a little first and then blend it. go. Just pour it on out. See how that look? Just stick, right? Just like that. Too easy. See, it's still a little thick, so I'm going to add a little water. So add just a little bit more water, guys. Done. There we go. Ready to go. Let's go on over here. And see, we got our stove ready. Get the pot, get the frying pan. And we're in business. We'll go ahead and add the oil in just a little bit, just like so. Turn the stove down. Just like that. See? Perfect pancake. See, look at that. Perfect. And we'll just continue the process. And then in the meantime, I'll just wash these up. Almost ready to be turned. Well, actually it's ready. See that? Perfect. Last one right there. Turn the stove off. And then I'm transferring them to this fryer here, the air fryer, just for like 4 minutes. Just to get them a little tighter. I like to do it like this. So give that 4 minutes and then we'll be ready to go. All done, guys. So just taking them out, putting them in, getting ready to eat. Now they're perfect. They're just nice and fluffy. So if you didn't know, you could use, instead of eggs, you could use okra. So even when you're making cakes, you could use that also to make it rise, make the flour rise instead of using eggs. So here you go, guys. Just put your syrup on. Good to go. See, look at that. Nice and soft. Perfect. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Like, comment below. Try this out and let me know how it comes out for you guys. See y'all in the next one. Love and peace. Remember, we got the God Self shirts out. Link is in the description below. So see y'all in the next one.
Made it, oh made it, oh made